Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add button on Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. So open that page where you want to add a button and click on edit. So I'm going to adding a button here, so I'm clicking on this plus icon and selecting button and enter your button text and give here the button link. So I'm going to adding my contact us page to this button, so I'm going to clicking on this gear icon and selecting page, and I'm selecting contact page, and you can turn on open in a new window and click on save and go to design, and from here you can change button size. Also you can change button alignment, and once you're happy, click on save. So here you can see I have successfully added a button on my Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.